I took 2 seasonings that I got from Aldi, and magic happened in the oven. I'm Tess, and tonight is wing night. Stay tuned for the recipe. My local grocery store had an insane sale on chicken wings, so I plan to have a lot more wing recipes for you in the future. If you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Tonight is wing night, and it is inspired by 2 seasonings that I picked up at Aldi. The first one you're very familiar with, and it's a packet of ranch seasoning mix, and the second is the Stone Meal Nashville Hot Chicken seasoning. I have a video recipe on my channel called Taco Ranch Chicken Wings, so I thought I would make a similar version using the Nashville Hot Chicken seasoning. I have one 1-ounce packet of the ranch, and I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of the Nashville seasoning, giving that a good mix. The Nashville Hot Chicken seasoning is one of the 3 new seasoning blends that Aldi is offering. The others are the umami seasoning with mushrooms and the elote seasoning with chili pepper and cheese. I plan on trying and reviewing all of them. I cleaned my chicken wings and lightly patted them with a paper towel. I'm using both drums and flats. Pouring over 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and then I'm adding in about half of the seasoning and giving it a good mix. Sprinkling over the other half and giving another good mix. I have my oven preheating to 400 degrees. Placing the chicken wings on a foil-lined sheet and making sure there is space between the wings so they cook evenly. For more spiciness, I'm sprinkling more of the Nashville Hot Chicken seasoning over the top. These wings are going into the top oven for 45 minutes. I will give them a flip about halfway through the cooking and then place under a low broiler for 1 to 2 minutes to crisp that skin. The Nashville Ranch chicken wings are done, and I must say they smell really good. Serving tonight with some cucumbers, celery, and ranch dressing. This is a real easy and real yummy dinner, lunch, or snack. Great for the holiday and game season. Only 4 ingredients and 45 minutes. No fuss, no mess. I will definitely be making these Nashville Ranch wings again. I probably would sprinkle a little of the Nashville Hot Chicken seasoning on the wings after they come right out of the oven. The wings turned out delicious. I hope you give my Nashville Ranch wings a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button to receive my future recipes. Please feel free to share my channel with your friends and family. It really helps my channel grow and it is greatly appreciated. And until next time, much love.